Why is it so important to have constant access to tachograph data regardless of vehicles' locations? How about avoiding fines worth of thousands and saving your business a lot of time and resources by downloading digital tachograph data remotely? Hi, I'm Toms from MapOn, and I'm here to talk about why remote tachograph download software is such a big advantage for companies operating tachograph-equipped vehicles. Historically, the technology of tachographs has come a long way, from logging driving times with pen and paper to analog tachographs, using the paper disc to mechanically record drivers' activities. Nowadays, everything's gone digital, with newer, smarter technology being introduced to make data logging easier and unwarranted tampering more difficult. With tachograph devices growing to better fit user needs, it should come as no surprise that tachograph-related technology has done the same thing. With this in mind, we developed the remote tachograph data download solution. When the driver inserts the card into the tachograph, our platform automatically checks whether the data needs to be downloaded and starts it if necessary. The solution works by connecting a telemetry device to a vehicle's tachograph. The installation process is really simple. We have had cases where we've customized the devices and wires so that the company's truck drivers themselves can get the job done in 10 to 15 minutes. If you are concerned about the legal side of the solution or whether it works with the tracking devices you currently use, don't worry. We have the attestation to make this perfectly legal, and the solution works with multiple hardware models that the MapOn platform supports. Now, let's answer the main question about the solution. Why? What is there to gain? Most fleet managers would agree that the remote part is a major benefit. It can be difficult to schedule on-spot data downloads as drivers can be out of the country, managers can be unavailable, technical difficulties might strike, and so on. Even when everything goes right, it's still bothersome for drivers and unnecessary downtime for the vehicle. Therefore, being able to download tachograph data regardless of vehicle's location takes these concerns out of your day-to-day work completely. The tachograph download process gets even easier when it can be fully automated. With the solution, you can set up a download schedule. The next time tachograph data must be downloaded for specific drivers or vehicles, it will happen automatically, eliminating the potential human error of simply forgetting to download data. Process automation applies not only to downloading tachograph data, but also to forwarding files to integrated systems. For example, our tachograph data analysis tool, Tachogram. Our solution gives you constant and live access to driver data, which is a benefit in its own right. With a clear view of all driver past, current, and future driving times, it's easier to plan work, calculate wages, as well as comply with tachograph regulations, considering all the added transparency within the company and when dealing with governing institutions. There are also benefits from the driver's perspective. For example, alerts can be set up to notify drivers or fleet managers about the next rest time by sending a notification to the platform or mobile app, or even to a text message. To summarize, the remote tachograph data download solution connects a tachograph to a fleet management system via a telemetry device. With all of them integrated, you have constant access to driving data and can schedule automatic downloads or download them manually anytime and anywhere. If you'd like to learn more, click the link in the description. Or if you want to know how the solution can be applied specifically to your business, contact us directly. Let's schedule a meeting and talk it over.